We will draw the front view, top view and right side view of the object shown here. Let's take the front view direction like this, so that this will be right side direction, and one dimension in this is missing. Please note that is this dimension. This dimension, that is 50 millimeters. This dimension is 50 millimeters. So start with the front view. In the front view, we will be able to see this rectangular surface of 125 by 50 millimeters, 75 millimeters width, and again we will be able to see this annulus in the front view, and the outlines of these two holes, which are rectangles, will be hidden, and bottom surface of this extension will not be seen, so we get a dashed line like this in the front view. Line 125, 75, 125 and 75, and then we'll show the hidden bottom surface of that extension. Line from here, thickness of that is 15 millimeters, then a line 75 millimeters. Okay, now we will show the outlines of those two holes. They are 45 millimeters, centers are 45 millimeters apart, so from the center 22.5 to the right by 22.5, enter. $15 millimeters, and on either side outline of the hole will be 7.5 millimeters, 7.5, $15, that is one hole on the right side, and one more hole from the center again, 22.5, 5, enter, down by 15, to the right by 7.5, up by 15, to the left by 15, and down by 15. In this center line, these are center lines and these two are hidden lines. So we'll select this properties, center line, That's the center line. Now match properties of this to this, and then this is a, all these are to be dashed lines. Properties, hidden lines, and now we have to show the cylinder line. From the center of this, go up by 40 millimeters. That will be the center of that cylinder. Circle this center. Radius is 12.5. Enter. Repeat circle from this. Radius is 25. Now remove this line. Okay. And then draw center lines, cross lines, center lines like this. So that completes the front view. Now we have to draw the top view. To draw the top view, in the top view, this will be seen as a rectangle of 75 by 50. In that, these two holes will be seen as circles, and attached to that, in front of that, there will be a rectangle which will be showing this cylinder, and hole is hidden. Line from here, 75, 50, 75, 50. Okay, and now we have to draw that cylinder whose length is 35 millimeters. So from here, from the midpoint, 25, half the diameter, 35 length, to the left by 50 mm, and 35. So that is the cylinder. Now when you see from the top, this backside surface will not be visible, so we get a dashed line here. So line from here, 15, a line of 75 millimeter length, and then it should be a dashed line, make it dashed. Now we have to draw the hidden outline of that hole. So line from the midpoint of this, 12.5, down by 35 plus 15, that is 50. This side 25, 5, enter, then 50, and this should be hidden. Of this to this and this. Okay. And then draw center line from the middle of this 50 mm. Okay, so that is axis of that hole. Now we have to cut the corners here. Draw fillet, radius 15, between this and this, between this and this, repeat fillet between this and this. Okay, so those are the two arcs. Now we have to draw the circles to represent holes. Center will be center of this, and radius is 7.5. Repeat circle, center of this is this, 7.5 radius. So that is the top view. Top view is completed. Now I have to draw the side view. So from here we take a clue from here, 50 mm down by 125, 15 mm up by 110, and to the left by 35, up by 15. So that is the side view of this portion. We have not yet shown the outlines of these holes. Now to draw the side view of this cylinder, line, we take clue from here, up by 25, to the left by 35, down by 50, to the left by 35. That is the cylinder. Now we have to draw the outline of the hole. So for that, line from here, 12.5, 35 plus 15, that is 50, 25, to the left by 50. Note that the hole is through, so it extends from this surface to this surface, and now it must be shown dashed. So apply this property to this and to this, and then draw a center line, draw a center line, the mid of this to the end of this. Now we have to draw the hole here. From the end of this, 15 mm down by 15 and to the right by 7.5, up by 15, to the left by 15, down by 15. Those are the holes. Now match properties of this to this and to this. Those are the dashed outlines of the holes. Enter. Match properties of the center line to this. So that completes the construction of front view, top view and side view. Now we have to write dimensions. Write dimensions and finish the drawing as shown in the figure.